Hi everyone, this is Sudarshan and today I am discussing about voltage and current. Before discussing about these topics, let me discuss about charge. What is meant by charge? What are the types of charges? Charge is a physical property of matter. There are two types of charges, positive charge and negative charge. Commonly, positive charge is called proton and negative charge is called electron. Like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. Now coming to our point of discussion, what is meant by voltage and current. Voltage, if any charge stored in a particular space or region, then it is called voltage. In short, voltage is also called potential difference between any two points or any two potentials. In a simple manner to understand, when an electron stops moving, it creates voltage. Stored charges also create electric field. The force of attraction or repulsion between stored charges is also called electric field. Completely from this analysis, we are going to discuss wherever the voltage is present, there resembles an electric field. Our next topic is about current. What is meant by current? Current is nothing but if any charge moves in a particular space or region, then it is called current. Current is also defined as rate of flow of charges. In a simple way to discuss about current, when an electron starts flowing or whenever a charge starts flowing, then it creates current. Wherever the current flows, there creates magnetic field. Magnetic field is nothing but force of attraction or repulsion between moving charges. This is about magnetic field. It means wherever the current is present, there magnetic field is present. When comparing electrical systems to mechanical systems, the voltage resembles or voltage is similar to potential energy, as well as current is similar to kinetic energy. Potential energy is nothing but when an object is static, and kinetic energy is nothing but whenever an object is moving. From this, we can compare mechanical systems and electrical systems. If you like our videos, please share and subscribe our channel. To get more notifications, hit on the bell icon and show all notifications. Thank you.